We've got 6 basic terms that describe atoms. Problem is they sound a lot alike. We've got atoms, ions, isotopes, mass number, atomic number, and average atomic mass. As you can see, the problem is that a lot of these sound a lot alike. You got atomic number and atomic mass. You've got mass number and atomic number. So you got to keep these straight. Ions, isotopes. Very important, keep these definitions straight. Let's start with the easy stuff. Let's start with atomic number and atoms. Atoms, we already know, are the smallest building block of matter. Elements are made up of atoms. Hence, if we have the periodic table, not only do we have a list of elements, but we also have a list of the types of atoms there are in the universe. Atoms are electrically neutral. What that means is they have no charge. The reason they have no charge is because the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Since there's an equal amount of each, the positive charge from the proton cancels out the negative charge from the electron, and you wind up with excuse me, a charge of 0. Remember this, protons is equal to electrons anytime you see something called an atom. In order to identify the different atoms, we're going to use the atomic number. What the atomic number tells us is the number of the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. If it is truly an atom, then we also know the number of electrons, because when an atom is electrically neutral, the protons is going to be equal to the electrons. We're going to find the number of protons on the periodic table. The atomic number is right here. That's my atomic number right there. As you can see in the key here, the atomic number is right above the symbol. Once you know the atomic number, you know the identity of the atom, you also automatically will know the symbol. There's only one element on the table that has an atomic number of 12, and that's magnesium. So once I know the atomic number, I have the identity of the atom, hence the element. So this also identifies the atom. Atomic number equal to 12 means that we have magnesium, symbol Mg. That's the only possibility out there. Converse is that if I have the symbol copper, then I automatically know that its atomic number is going to be equal to, well, I would look it up on the periodic table. And right here, copper, 29 is the atomic number, so that's the number of protons. Number of protons is equal to 29. If this is an atom of copper with no charge, that means it also has 29 electrons. Again, this is only true if we have an atom. We'll talk about when it's not true in a couple of minutes here. Let's do one more example. Let's say we have number of protons is equal to 32. Automatically, that means my atomic number has got to be equal to 32. If it's an atom, then my number of electrons is going to be equal to 32. And all we have to do is look up the symbol. 32 is germanium right here. So the symbol is germanium, Ge, and the name is germanium, not geranium. I'd ask if there were questions, but I'm not there. Pretty straightforward.